In the incomplete main switching, there are two problems that can avoid the device from turning on and functioning. Sometimes the NTCs of these two parts and also their diodes burned out. However, these NTCs have been totally removed from the latest boards. In the old boards that have this part, if there is any problem with it, it can be easily replaced with a piece of wire. When this part burns out, the device will not turn on, because it has no power and it either becomes open-circuited or explodes. Normally, this part has 11 ohm resistance, which is a small amount. When this part burns out, its signs are totally obvious. This part must be detached, as you can see, and replaced with a piece of wire. This way, the problem with the device is solved and we will not have the problem of the device not turning on. Another topic is the three pairs of diodes. In fact, these diodes are located between the earth and phase, earth and null, and phase and null. Whenever the earth of the system we are using is electrified, or its null and phase become one of these three pairs of diodes burn out. In this case, if the earth of the device is connected and the device is turned on, the fuse of the device will definitely burn out, or the fuse of the phase from which the electricity is taken will trip. In such case, you can only use the device if the earth is not connected to the device and it works without earth. To solve this problem, the diodes must be replaced. It is so simple to test these diodes. First, remove the diode from the circuit and test it like this. The diode is open from one side and overload from the other, and all of the diodes are tested like this. Any of the diodes which is burnt out needs to be replaced with a similar diode with the similar voltage. And this topic, which was about the earthing problem of the device, ends here. In cases where the earth has a problem, these diodes are damaged and need to be repaired. There is one more notable point about overcurrent error of the board, where if the problem is with the command is open like this and replaced with the command of the other side. Now, using a series lamp, which will be explained later, we turn the device on. If the device is turned on and the switching of side 1 is activated and its relays are connected, if the problem is with the command and we have replaced it, then the overcurrent error of the board must be eliminated. If the overcurrent error of the board number 1 still remains, the problem is not with the command and we have to move to the next stage.